What's going on, YouTube? This is Mike, living with 3M, legend in the background. As you guys know, I just put the headlights in, the Alpha Rex, yesterday. So today is day 2 of the install, and you see on the brick wall what I've got going in. Gonna be putting the Morimoto fog lights in. So hang out with me a while. Let's get this done. All right, so we got both the Morimotos. Got some condensation on there as I had them, it's on the outside. I had them in the house where it's cooler, and it's really muggy today in North Carolina. So basically the install is going to be really simple, guys. We'll come around here, and if you saw yesterday me doing the headlights, you will know what I was talking about. It makes it so much easier to have a lifted truck, and we dealt with these yesterday, which we're not going to deal with those. But right here we have a small screw, and then right here is a finger tight screw. So we'll loosen that, remove it, remove this, where we can pull this back and gain access to the fog light. Super simple. Okay, so that's what the finger tight looks like. It's up in the wheel well, and the one bolt we've got to remove is not a 8 or a 7. I found that a 7/32 is what's going to fit that. It's really small, so we'll just remove that. Then we can access the back of the fog lamp. All right, also there was one right here, and I took one loose right up here too. So there's about 3. Let's see how that comes back. You can see we're right in there to where we need to be. So on the back of the fog light, all I did was loosen the alignment screw and spring, pop them out, disconnect the bulb right here. So that's all we do on the back. Now on the front, all we're gonna do until it's loose, we're just gonna take our little pry tools, and it's got tabs on each side that hold it in. So we'll just loosen those, and this will pop straight forward. Okay, so what you do is just take a flathead screwdriver, carefully, just push it into the side. There it is. It's already loose. So what I'll do is just pull that out. All right, just popped it loose. Took me about 10 seconds. It's just got little tabs on the inside that push, just clicks in place. And if you'll notice, there's where the bulb went, and there's where the alignment screw and spring go. That will be transferred over to your new Morimoto fog light. All right, so switched out the little clip right there from the old one, and we're just gonna feed it through. It's hard doing it with one hand, but those will just clip in. Sorry, gonna need 2 hands, but I'll just clip it in, and then we'll install the spring and the alignment bolt. We'll be done. All right, got one installed. Goes well with Alpha Rex. I'd say goes a lot better than the factory. You can see the factory ones. Oh yeah, big difference. All right, got the truck out here. Gonna hit unlock. You guys see that? Oh yeah, extremely happy. Yeah, the truck looks really good. And that's just the parking lights. So now let's go back around here. We will turn on the full lights. Look on the wall. Yeah, I would say that's pretty bright. It's starting to rain out here. And that's not the high beams. The high beams will come on down there. So yeah, I am extremely happy. Also guys, let's see, I can turn on, yeah, got the rock lights going on. Give you guys a shot of that. Oh yeah, it looks great. Also, yeah, man. All right, that'll wrap up the video of the fog light install, the Morimotos. Also, the video before, check that out for the install of the Alpha Rex headlights. And throw a big shout out to my boy Coyote Mike out in Texas with his truck called Venom. You think my truck's nice, you need to check this guy's truck out. I'm telling you guys, search Coyote Mike. Shout out to you, brother. All right, that's gonna conclude it. Guys, we will catch you in the next video. Later.